All right, everyone, let's look at Amazon. Today is September 15th, 2024, 9/15/2024. So back here on 9/6, we had our sell-off, which was a Friday. That Monday, we opened up on the 9th, and we had 4 green bars. 4 days of green, pushing higher. Until Friday when we ran into resistance at 188.90, which, as you see back here in the past, was a resistance area as well. In fact, here it hit resistance and dropped all the way down here below the 200 day, and then this bar opened up, went way down here and pushed up and closed above the open to make a green bar, and then opened up down here and pushed all the way down, and then pushed back up to close. I'm sorry, it opened up down here, so it dropped down, went up, closed up here, and then gapped down all the way down here to open up down here, pushed down a little bit, and then turned green. And after that, it just kept running. And that bar here, the volume that came in, that was coming in as this thing was selling off, this volume kept coming in. So those 3 days of green bars were saying, nope, we're not doing that. We're getting what we want in here, we're going back up, which is exactly what it did. It pushed up, then we got our sell-off to come back to the 200 day to act as support. We got a nice green bar there, then we got our sell-off, then we got CPI data right here, and then the sell-off on that Friday, and then those 4 green bars pushing up. And then we got this resistance. So we're looking to either come back and find support in these support areas of the 150 day simple moving average, the 9 simple moving average, the 20 simple moving average, and the 200 simple moving average. Have been acting as support here on the 20. So watch this 9 and the 20 for support. So hopefully this 9 will continue to run up like this, and then our bars for each day will follow it. Same thing with the 20. And so if we can get these two running together, we know we can that it will follow it like it did over here. You can see where it kind of they were close together, and our movement was to the upside. But then as it got far apart, we lost it and it started to fall back, and then we got our close here and our gap down, and we started over again. So I'm looking to see Amazon continue higher, but for the first part, hopefully this doesn't knock it down like it did over here, that it's just that much resistance in this area. I think we just had all these red bars, all this selling off going on back here, which kind of just made it just lose its strength when it tried to get back up through this support area. Because I think that support area, if we go back, let's go back for the year and see what it looks like. So yeah, that support area was just going all the way back here. So it was running up against that support area quite a few times, and it was knocking it down. So we're going to retest that again and see how strong it still is with our 200 day pushing up and all of our green bars of momentum coming in. And here's another thing too, we had that window that opened up. So there was a window that needed to be closed as well. And so it had to come down and close that window and then to push back up. This gap down here opened up a window, but it's easier to close your window going back up than it is, well, I mean, either way you can slowly sell off and get back down here and close your window. You can just gap down and get it out the way and go back up, which is what it did. It had all these buyers down here waiting to get in, or actually probably had a bunch of huge orders down in here from the whales, and so you know, there was nobody up here really buying, and he just gapped down to get these guys, and these guys jumped in and pushed it right back up. So here we are again, back at retesting in this 188 area. I know that push up right there, if we get that and do something like that again, right, we can probably see something like this maybe. Yeah, and retest that high. With this, we already got a little bit of pullback there. We're hitting that again against this resistance. Hopefully it won't be too bad. Maybe be something like this over here. You know. Grab that. Stick it over here. You know, maybe we can get something like that. You know. And then follow through. So yeah, that's Amazon going into next week of the week of the 15th of September. So keep an eye on it. Of course, you know, Amazon, like I said, it can gap down like this, so watch yourself. Make sure you have your stops in there and be careful of those overnights. They can just do some miraculous things overnight on you. You wake up in a whole lot of pain, but you know, of course, don't worry. They're gonna make you right again. It's just a matter of how long before it happens. So that's it on Amazon. Thanks.